Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another beautiful day at the garden. Welcome to Mother Nature and me. Today is all about self-love, loving ourselves, being kind to ourselves, and appreciating all of the special things that make us unique, the special things that make you, you, and make me, me. Each one of us is different, right? So that's what today's all about, self-love. So I have a very special friend with me today that is going to sing a song for us. But before we jump into that, I'll let the mommies and daddies know what supplies to grab so that we can do our art project together. Today we're going to be making nature faces. It's going to be kind of like nature portraits. So all you need is paper, a pencil, and some nature items, and then glue and maybe scissors. You might need some safe scissors to cut things. But yeah, you want to find nature items that can look like eyes, nose, smile. So look for some nature items around your house or your front yard. Gather those, and after the story, we'll make nature portraits. Okay? Now, I have a very special friend. She was excited to see you all. She's been asking me all morning, is it time yet? Is it time yet? She really wants to see everybody. So without further ado, let me introduce the very special superstar herself, Lufetta. Hello, everybody. Hello, hello. Hi, Lufetta. I know you've been waiting to see everybody. We're so happy to finally see you, and all the kids are happy to meet you. Hello, I'm happy to meet you too. Now, Lufetta, let me ask you, when you wanted me to introduce you to all of our friends here, you asked me to introduce you as a superstar. Why is that? Are you in any movies that I don't know about, or maybe a TV show? What's with the superstar? Oh no, I am the superstar of my own life. Oh, of your own life. Okay, I like that. And guess what else? What? I am also the superstar of my own life, and I'm the director of my own life, and I am my own #1 fan. Oh, so you're the superstar, the director, and your own #1 fan. Yes, yes, now you understand. That's what it is. So that means that if I wanted to be a superstar and the director and my own #1 fan, I could do that too, right? Yes, we can all be our own #1 fan. Yes, yes. And that reminds me, I have a very special song that I want to sing to all of you today. Oh, that's right. You did tell me you had a special song. Okay, well, let's hear it. Oh, but I'm a little bit nervous, though. I'm a little bit nervous to sing it on camera. Nervous? That's not like you. You've always been, well, a superstar. What's the problem? Well, it's not my song. It's a song from one of my favorite shows. Oh, well, that's okay. What show is it from? It's a song from Sesame Street. Do you like Sesame Street? Oh, yes, I used to love Sesame Street growing up. Well, that's okay if you're going to sing their song. That's called a cover. When you sing somebody else's song, you're covering the song. So that's okay, as long as you give them credit. Oh, that makes me feel so much better. Okay, so I'm going to sing my favorite song. It's called I Am Special. Okay, well, I'll get out of the way so you can sing your song to everybody. You guys ready? Okay, take it, Lufetta. I am special. There is no one like me. No one that has ever been, no one will ever be. That's the same for you. You're as special as can be. You're important. That's right. You are special. I am special. No one else has got my style. No one else has got my heart, and no one's got my smile. You are all so special. You've been special all the while. You're important. That's right. You are special. Now there may be some a bit like me, cute and funny too. There may be a few with the exact same size of shoe, but there is no one just like me, and there is no one just like you. I am special. I'm 100% me, and that is something no one in the world could ever be. That goes for you too. You're as in the whole wide human race, there is no one who could ever take your place. You are special. Wow, Lufetta, that was fabulous. Thank you so much. Can you all say thank you, Lufetta? Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. That's my favorite song. That was great. Thank you so much. Now, we have a special story to read, and maybe you can hang out with us while we read our book. It's called I Like Myself. Oh, I love that book. I love that book. Yes, let's read it. Okay, I'm going to put you over here so you can listen. Okay. Wow, that was great. Okay, so here's the story that we're going to read. I like myself. It's all about self-love and knowing, just like Lufetta knows, we are special. Each one of us is unique and different and one of a kind. Okay, so let's jump in. I like myself. I'm glad I'm me. There's no one else I'd rather be. I like my eyes, my ears, my nose. I like my fingers, and I like my toes. I like me fast. I like me slow. I like me everywhere I go. I like me on the inside too, for all I think and say and do. Whew, look at that, on the inside. Inside, outside, upside down, from head to toe and all around. I like it all. It all is me, and me is all I want to be. That sounds a lot like Lufetta, right? And I don't care in any way what someone else might think or say. I may be called a silly nut or a crazy cuckoo bird. So what? I'm having too much fun, you see, for anything to bother me. Even when I look a mess, I still don't like me any less. 'Cause nothing in this world, you know, can change what's deep inside. And so, look at that hair. Whoa. No matter if they stop and stare, no person ever, anywhere, can make me feel that what they see is all there really is to me. I'd still like me with fleas or warts, or with a silly snout that snorts. Or wobbly knees, or hippo hips, or purple polka dotted lips. Whoa. Or beaver breath, or stinky toes, or horns protruding from my nose. Whoa. Oh my goodness, is that a horn? Or yikes, with spikes all down my spine, or hair that's like a porcupine. I still would be the same, you see? I like myself because I'm me. The end. Super cute. Love it. Okay, you guys ready to dive into a craft? Let's get started. So I really like this craft, and I think that the best way to start is just with a piece of paper, and then if you like your portrait, you can cut it out with scissors later, and you can, after it dries, you can put it on a stick and make it like a little puppet if you want. Let's start with some paper. You can also do this on a paper plate if you want. Okay, ready? Got your paper? Okay. I'm going to start with a pencil, and let's just draw a circle, like a face, right? Let's draw a circle. Kind of an oval, maybe. Doesn't have to be perfect. All right, you got your circle or oval? Okay, now we're going to take our glue. I have regular glue, and I also have a glue stick. We'll see which one works better. And let's start putting stuff on. Maybe I'll start with the hair. Let's give our portrait some hair. I have these funky leaves that I found in the garden. I think they would make some pretty cool hair. And I also have some long grassy leaves, some grass. If I cut this down into smaller pieces, that would make some good hair as well. So let's do it together. This can be a self-portrait if you want to make it look like fabulous you. Or it can be just a new friend. Maybe it can be a friend for Lufetta. Lufetta, would you like me to make you a new friend? Oh yes, I would love that. I would love it so much. Okay, so mine won't be a self-portrait because I'm here and I'm already your friend. I'm going to make you another friend. Okay, that sounds wonderful. Thank you so much. Okay. So I'm going to use my grassy greens for hair, and I'm going to glue it down with regular glue. I might not be able to hold this up and show you. Maybe I can point the camera down because when the glue is wet, it will all just slide down the paper. Put it down. I would love it if you guys would send me some comments, leave some comments about things that you love about yourself. That might be a fun way to add to this activity. Since this is all about self-love, what do you love about yourself? It can be something physical, like your smile or your eyes, or it can be something about your personality. What do you love about yourself? Okay. Check it out. So I have my hair. And then let's add some eyes. Once it has eyeballs, it really starts to have a personality. What should I use for eyes? How about, I have this cool leaf, a little sea grape leaf, and I can cut it into eyes. And cut it into a little eye shape. I also have a loofah seed, 2 loofah seeds. So I'll put those inside the little eyeballs to be the pupils. You can do the same thing with sunflower seed or a bean from home. Make some little pupils. I'll show you. How about that? Taking shape. Do you think Lufetta's gonna like her new friend? All right, let's give her a little nose. What shall I use for a nose? I have a little, well, maybe I can just use a little piece of mulch. A little nose. Give her a little mini nose. Getting there. Now, very important part, a smile. Let's give her a happy smile. How about this beautiful leaf here? Nice green smile. I'll cut it into a smiley shape. And then we have to think of a name for our new friend. See, Lufetta got her name because she's made out of a loofah. She's made out of a loofah, and her arms are sticks, And then she has cotton wrapped around her arms. And she's got a mouth for a seashell for a mouth. And loofah seeds as eyeballs. Not sure what I'll name this one. I love this. This is so cool. Now I have a really pretty little pink flower. Should I add that to her hair? Put a little flower in her hair? Yeah, let's do that. And I also have these beautiful leaves. I have 2 of them, and to me they look like, they kind of look like little earrings. Should I add these as earrings? Let's give her some style. Okay. What do you think? I think she's pretty cool. What would I name her? I don't know. Let's see. She's made of greens and flowers and leaves. Let's ask Lufetta. Lufetta, do you like your new friend? We're trying to think of a name for her. Oh, wow, she's beautiful. She's full of nature. I think we should call her Naturella. Naturella? Okay. Lufetta and Naturella. And they'll be best friends now. After Naturella dries and all her glue is dried up, I'll cut her out and put her on a little popsicle stick, and the 2 of you can sing your song together. Oh, that sounds great. Hi, Naturella. I love to have a new friend, and I'm going to teach you all about self-love. I'll sing you my song later. Very cute. Don't forget to show me pictures, guys. I want to see all of your portraits and nature faces. Come and visit us at the garden. We're open now Saturdays from 9 to noon and Sundays from 11 a.m. to 2. So you can come by and enjoy the garden. You can buy some plants. We are encouraging masks. The staff is masked. And we do have the sandbox closed and the mud kitchen closed, just to kind of not encourage too much gathering. But you can still come and enjoy the garden. So I hope to see you. And also, just a reminder, anybody who is looking to have a private event at the garden with just you and your family, we are still hosting picnics. It's a 2-hour long. You have the whole garden to yourself. You're basically renting out the space. So if you have any questions about that, make sure you message us and we can set something up. So that's a lot of fun. And that's it. I hope you guys have a beautiful Thursday. I miss everybody, and I hope to see you on the weekend. Okay, bye. Say bye to Lufetta. Bye. Bye, everybody. Thank you. Oh, and let's say bye to Naturella. Bye-bye. She's still developing her voice. Her glue is drying, so she doesn't have the voice down yet. Bye, everyone.